Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Today we are learning how to talk on the phone confidently in English. No more fear, no more hello. Hello, can you hear me? Moments. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Why phone English is different? No face-to-face clues. You rely only on tone and words. You must speak clearly and listen carefully. Phrases tips. Sorry, can you repeat that? Could you speak a little slower? Let me confirm that. Basic phone vocabulary. Words ringing, meaning the phone is calling. Example, the phone is ringing. Word pick up, answer, meaning receive the call. Example, can you pick up please? Word hang up, meaning end the call. Example, he hang up suddenly. Word hold on, meaning wait. Example, please hold on. Word signal, meaning connection strength. Example, bad signal today. How to start a phone call. Hello, this is John speaking. Good morning, may I speak to Mr. Ali? Hi, I am calling about the job vacancy. Is this the right number for the pharmacy? Asking for someone. Formal. Could I speak with Mr. Karim, please? Is Mr. Hussain available right now? Informal. Hey, is Rofi there? Can I talk to Mina? If the person is not available, he is not in right now. Can I take a message? Would you like to leave a voicemail? Leaving a message. Please tell him I called. Can you ask her to call me back? It's regarding our meeting tomorrow. Here's my number, please. Dealing with bad signal. Sorry, I am losing you. Can you hear me now? The line is breaking up. Let me call you back. Real life role play. Calling your friend's office. You, hello, is this the Global Teach Tech office? Receptionist, yes, how may I help you? You, can I speak to Mr. Hassan in HR? Receptionist, he is in a meeting right now. You, no problem. Can you tell him Mr. Shah called regarding the interview? Receptionist, sure. I will pass the message. You, thank you very much. Speak slowly and clearly. Always repeat important information like names, times, and numbers. Practice every day. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more real life English like this. Thank you very much.